Let's take a closer look at the Brix necklace. This has quickly become a fast favorite of mine. I love the beautiful bead details and the sea glass inspiration, but I also love it for its versatility. You can wear it as I am now, as a statement necklace with all of the strands together, or very easily you can separate them out to wear as 2 long strands, or to shorten them up and wear them just one at a time shortened. Let me show you. Welcome back. So I've gone ahead and taken the necklace off, and now I'll show you how the 2 long strands are connected. You can simply take them apart by undoing the clip on both sides. And now you have 2 individual long strands. So I might choose to wear just one, like this, or maybe I want to just wear this one long instead. Or maybe for a different look, I want to wear them both together, so then you can layer them. Stay tuned, I'll show you how to put them back together as 2 separate shorter strands. So maybe you're thinking, I really love one strand at a time, but I want to wear it short. How can I do that? Just like this. So I took the one strand and I put it on so you could see, and now I'm going to show you how easy it was to attach. So here's my one long strand, and I went back to those gold hooks and I clipped this on, just like that, on both sides. And presto, now I have a shorter version with just one strand that gives me a beautiful look. As you can see, whether you want to wear it long or short, the Brix necklace offers you great versatility, a beautiful statement piece, or a simple delicate to wear for spring and summer. Let me know if you have any questions. See you soon.